Hi everybody, this is Sir back another day with another unboxing, and I want to start with once again highly recommend the Jordan Monogram Duffle. I'm super happy with it. I've used it as my daily bag, more or less. I've used it daily and carry it as an EDC bag every day for over a year now, I think it must be. I think so. So I highly recommend it. I get a lot of compliments and yeah, super happy with it. The only downside with it is that it's so good that I'm so satisfied with it that I don't use any other bag. I don't care to buy any expensive bags anymore. Sort of like the Apple Watch. I use it every day, so I don't use any real watches, expensive watches. So yeah, that's the intro.
Funky. Hip
So I have now bought two bags that I have absolutely no use for at all, that I don't even think I will use at all. But I got curious. Well, first of all, I've been wanting to buy another Jordan Monogram Duffle bag just because I'm so happy with it. But Nike Europe are so weird. They sell like the mini bags, but not the duffel bag. I don't get that at all. And the shops in US that have them, they don't want to ship to Sweden. So once again, the place that got what I wanted was Zalando. So the main reason why I bought this bag is just because I knew that if I didn't buy it, I was going to regret that. I think it looks good. It looks maybe a little bit more luxurious than the black one. I don't know. It looks good. Will I use it? I don't think so, actually. But it's just nice to have. I will do a real unboxing in the end and show you what it really looks like. But here in Sweden or at Zalando, it's about 150 euro for a good looking bag. And I've really used mine every day for a year and it still holds up really well. So the bag that I got curious about, the Dopp kit, was mainly because of their own bad PR pictures. Because I have a lot of toiletry bags, Dopp kits, toilet bags, and I more or less use the same one there as well. Now I got like 2 or 3 that I shift with, but I like Dopp kit toiletry bags. Many I don't like that jingle, but many times I think of I should carry a bag like this instead of a sling bag over me, but now I use a duffel bag as a daily bag. But one thing that I've been wanting with all the bags, toiletry bags that I have, is a separate pocket like Herschel shoe bags or their duffel bags with the shoe compartment, and Sir Pierre design bags with the shoe compartment, something like that. And with the bad pictures, let me change the angle. The camera for some reason closed down, so I have to redo this. What I was hoping for, the bag does not have. So let me show you what it has. First of all, I'm really irritated about this jingle. And this jingle will do that I will not use it as an EDC bag. That jingle is really, really irritating. So big bag, 5.9 liters is really big. I put it in the duffel bag and I will show you again later. 2 compartments. The Velcro could be without it. Inside it's sort of vinyl, so you can take wet things. Could have a compartment here, I think. Small zipper, put your nail clip or whatever there. But what I was hoping for, that the bag does not have, this big compartment here is just flat. That's it. So I don't know what you will put here. Maybe cotton or Q-tips. So what I was hoping for was to have an expandable pocket that turns into a sock in here, so I can separate my dry things from my wet things. And where I got that idea from is on my own bags, my Surfshare design bags, I have that shoe compartment that expands into a socket. And Herschel has that as well on their duffel bag. And I actually think that I'm going to leave this to a tailor. It's too bad I don't know any good tailors. But I would really like that, even though the inside can handle wet things, I don't want to mix my wet things with my dry things. So this should be a good idea for them as well. Expandable socket here, pocket. I hope you understand what I mean, because if I was healthy enough I would show you. But Herschel bags have an expandable socket that you expand and it covers the whole bottom part. Because this pocket, I don't know what you're going to use this for. But it looks good. It absolutely looks good. And for the money, come on, this was, I think this was 75 euro. Maybe less. And it's really big. So it would be cool as a EDC bag, because my sling bag that you're supposed to carry crossbody, I still use it, carrying it in my bag, in my hand. But the noise of the zippers, even if they are separated, no. And I showed this as well in the video that didn't got recorded. One small complaint is that the gap could be bigger. The zippers doesn't go all the way to the outside or to the corners of the bag. But it works. It works. And for the money, come on, 150 euro. I think the coconut milk, yeah, coconut milk collection is cheaper than the standard ones. Looks really, really good, luxurious, and yeah, I really like it. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to change from my other bag, my EDC bag, my daily bag, my favorite bag. But if I'm going anywhere where I need to have 2 bags and I need to have a toiletry bag, I'm going to use this just because it looks good. So for the both of these, I paid just over 200 euro. Yeah. This noise, really irritating. It did not have an expandable pocket. I haven't seen any toiletry bag with that expandable pocket. So it's just my idea completely. But since the PR pictures were so bad, I was hoping it to have an expandable pocket like that. That would be nice. This is it for this video. I hope it got recorded this time. Otherwise, I won't do it again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And let me know what you think about the Jordan Monogram collection in general. They are dropping more and more colors and more bags, and they all look really good. Yeah, sort of look like a Louis Vuitton copy, but still it looks really good. And the price is good, and the quality is good. So I highly recommend them, absolutely. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. And do you have any of the Jordan Monogram bags?